Are you tired of the high cost of poultry and livestock feed and looking for a way out to drop the cost of the poultry feed and to maximize your profit from your investment? This particular video is mainly for you, and make sure you watch it till the end. Here comes the video.
Hello, you are welcome to another interesting topic on how to reduce the cost of running your poultry and agri-business by dropping the cost of feeding. In this particular topic, I'm going to guide you on the tips on how to turn cassava peels into high quality poultry and livestock feed, unlocking the secret and tips. Cassava peels are often discarded as waste. But did you know that cassava peels can be transformed into nutritious and cost-effective feed for poultry and livestock? In this video, I will show you how to turn cassava peels into a valuable resource that not only reduces waste but also cuts down on feed costs. Let's explore how this innovative process can revolutionize your farm's feeding strategy and boost productivity. I'll guide you with 15 good points on transforming cassava peels into quality poultry and livestock feed. 1. Abundance and affordability. Cassava peels are widely available agricultural byproducts, making them an affordable alternative for traditional feed ingredients. Farmers can source them locally, often at little or no cost. Reduce waste. Cassava peels reduces waste in the environment. By converting cassava peels into feed, farmers help reduce environmental waste. This sustainable practice turns a common agricultural byproduct into a valuable resource. It's rich in energy. Cassava peels are high in carbohydrates, providing an excellent source of energy for both poultry and livestock, making them ideal for supporting growth and production. It improves feed efficiency. When processed correctly, cassava peels can be a great addition to the diet of farm animals. Their nutrient profile can complement other feed ingredients, improving overall feed efficiency and effectiveness. Their nutrient profile can complement other feed ingredients, improving overall feed efficiency. Low-cost protein source. After fermentation or drying, cassava peels can be mixed with other protein sources, reducing the need for more expensive feeds like soya bean and fish meal. It reduces feed cost. Substituting cassava peels for more expensive feed ingredients significantly lowers the overall cost of feeding poultry and livestock without compromising nutrition. Enhance digestibility. Processing methods like fermentation or drying help break down the fibrous content of cassava peels, making them more digestible and easier for animals to process and absorb the nutrients. Rich in fiber. Cassava peels are rich in dietary fiber, which is beneficial for the digestive health of livestock and poultry, helping to maintain the gut health and improve nutrient absorption. Versatile in feed formulation. Cassava peels can be used as a variety of feed formulation, from mash to pellets, making them versatile and adaptable to different feeding systems, most especially in fish feeding formulation. Cassava peels help to gelatinise and solidify the pellet, thereby making the feed to float on water. Improves animal health. Cassava peels, when processed properly, contribute to better gut health and immune function in animals, reducing the risk of disease and improving overall well-being. It boosts growth and performance. cassava peel has very high energy content, and this high energy content of cassava peels helps support rapid growth in poultry and livestock, which can lead to improved weight gain and productivity. Safe when properly processed. Cassava peels contains cyanogetic compounds, but properly processed ones through drying and fermentation eliminates these toxins, making the peas safe for consumption for animals and animal feed formulation. It reduces dependence on conventional feed. Utilizing cassava peels as feed can reduce a farmer's reliance on expensive conventional feed ingredients, offering a sustainable alternative and at the same time ensure a more steady and stable feed supply. It contributes to sustainable poultry and livestock farming. This practice supports sustainable farming by reducing waste, cutting costs, and making the most of available resources, which aligns with eco-friendly agricultural practices. It enhances profitability by cutting down on feed costs and improving the efficiency of animal production. Cassava peels based feed can be directly or can be focused to enhance the profitability of poultry or livestock farming operations. Please, at this juncture, if this is the first time of coming across this channel, I will strongly advise you to get subscribed to this wonderful channel. And if you have subscribed, please activate the notification bell so that anytime I come with another interesting topic, most of the updates on this particular feed formulation, feed reduction, and feed efficiency, you will be among the first set of subscribers that will get notified by this wonderful app. If you are excited to learn more about cost-saving, sustainable farming techniques, please don't forget to share this video to reach more farmers who may be in need of this particular type of content. Share the video to your friends, share it to your relatives, your platforms, and other groups to enable them get this same information you have gotten in this particular channel right now. Transforming cassava peels into quality feed for poultry and livestock is not only an innovative way to reduce waste, but also a powerful tool for lowering feeding costs and boosting farm profitability. By adopting this practice, you can ensure your animals receive the nutrition they need while making your farm more sustainable and cost efficient. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned. We are going into the practical aspects of the process involved in converting these cassava peels into usable form in poultry and livestock feeding. Let's go there. Here are the key transformation process for turning cassava peels into quality poultry and livestock feed. Let's get them step by step so that you will not mix any of the track before we go into the full practical aspect of this particular content. The first thing is make sure you have abundance of cassava peels. That is, collection of cassava peels is the first stage. Gather cassava peels from processing centers or farms where cassava is harvested. Ensure that the peels are clean and free from contaminants. Wash the cassava peels thoroughly. If you have any close river, please take it to river or pool. Or if you have pump in your area, please wash it up to 2 to 3 times to make sure that there is no form of dirty on them. After that, the next thing is sort and cleaning. Remove any unwanted wooden part of those peels. Sort them out so that they will not create more fiber in the cassava peel meal. Sort out any foreign material such as stones or debris from the collected peels. Rinse the peels thoroughly again with clean water to remove dirt and impurities. That is the second stage. After that stage, the next stage is chopping and shredding. Chop or shred the cassava peels into smaller particles to facilitate faster drying and fermentation. This also helps in achieving uniform processing. Next stage is detoxification. Raw cassava peels contain synergetic glycosides, which can be toxic to the poultry and livestock animal. So to detoxify, soak the peas in water for 24 to 48 hours or boil them to reduce the cyanide content of the cassava pea. After that step, the next step is drying. Sun dry or mechanically dry the detoxified peas to reduce moisture content. Proper drying is crucial to prevent mold growth and spoilage. Sun drying typically takes a few days depending on the weather condition. If it is during the dry period, it will dry within 4 to 5 days. The next stage, which is optional if you are using the fermentation process, this is where this one comes in. Fermentation is an alternative to drying, so you don't use the two at the same time. It involves storing the cassava peel in an anaerobic condition, that is without oxygen, for 3 to 5 days. This process enhances digestibility and nutrient availability by breaking down the complex fibers. After that, the next thing is grinding or milling, which is very essential after some drying or fermentation, because either you use the drying pattern or the fermentation process. Grind the cassava peel into a fine powder or meal. This makes it easier to mix with other feed ingredients and to ensure better nutrient absorption by the poultry or livestock animal. Then the next stage is mixing with other feed ingredients. Combine the cassava peel meal with other ingredients like maize, soya bean meal, fish meal to create a balanced feed. This ensures that the animals receive adequate protein and vitamins and at the same time minerals. The next one is pelleting or extruding, which is very optional if you want to use pellets to feed the pig, chicken or poultry or livestock animals. For easier feeding, the cassava peas can be pelleted or extruded into uniform shapes. These steps is optional and it depends on the farmer's feeding system. Then the final stage here is store or bag the processed feed in a cool, dry place to prevent spoilage and maintain its nutritional value. Proper packaging is very important in an airtight container or sacks, helping prolong the feed shelf life. These are the process. Now, let's see how it is done in the farm with the right equipment. Let's go there.
Please watch the next video for the practical aspect of how to process cassava peel into poultry and livestock feed. Loading.